In this video, the common reactions of alkanes and alkenes will be demonstrated. The first reaction is combustion. In this experiment, hexane is chosen to represent alkanes. Add 6 drops of hexane onto the watch glass. On the other hand, hex 1-in is chosen to represent the alkenes. Add 6 drops of hex 1-in onto the watch glass. Light up the samples using a burning splint. Compare the flames of the two samples. What are the colors of the flame? Which flame is sootier? Next, treat the sample using bromine dissolved in organic solvent. The first test tube is wrapped with aluminum foil. This is to provide a dark reaction conditions without any exposure of UV light. A few drops of hexane is added into this test tube. For the second test tube, add a few drops of hexane. For the third test tube, add a few drops of hex 1-in. To the 3 test tubes, a few drops of bromine in organic solvent are added. The bromine in organic solvent is orange in color. Shake the 3 test tubes to mix the content well. After shaking, hex 1-in decolorized bromine, while hexane does not. Set up a table lamp and shine the hexane-bromine mixture. Compare the first and the second test tube. Hexane can only decolorize bromine with the presence of light. For the last experiment, add a few drops of hex 1-in into a test tube. Next, add a few drops of acid solution, followed by a few drops of potassium permanganate solution. Shake the test tube to mix the content. Hex 1 in decolorize the purple acidified potassium permanganate solution. This is the end of the experiment.